So now we're making a quinoa chia garlic bread. Quinoa is a pseudo cereal high in protein, and we're using chia seeds, which is a high antioxidant and full of fiber and fat. So let's get into the recipe. First, we're going to take quinoa, soak it well for minimum 6 hours to 8 hours, that's about overnight, in enough water. And then we take our chia seeds and soak them in the water that's mentioned in the recipe for the same amount of time, that's about 6 to 8 hours. We are going to drain the water off quinoa and wash it well. The water in the chia seeds are well absorbed. So now diving into making the bread, take a food processor or a mixer jar. Add the quinoa. So once you've added the quinoa, we're going to add the chia seeds. So your chia seeds look like this once they're soaked. Add in the garlic. The amount of garlic completely depends on you. You can add some herbs, jalapenos, olives or sun-dried tomatoes. Then I have the baking soda. Salt, sweetener, oil. So then is the lemon juice. Lemon juice can be replaced for apple cider vinegar. It helps activate the baking soda. Now we're going to blend this. We're just going to break the grains. We do not want a pasty mix, but we want to retain the grains as well. So we scrape the sides. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. If you wish to, you can break the grains even more if it gets too chewy eventually. But if the grains are well soaked, they wouldn't be as chewy. Start pouring in the ingredients while leveling it. Keep your oven preheated. Once you have added baking soda to your ingredients, you cannot wait for your oven to preheat, so start it much earlier. Again, the bread is not going to rise much, so you can choose the pan accordingly. Level it, smoothen the top, and now we're going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes.